Hello again, I'm Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the Raidmax Volcano 630 watt power supply. What's included is a user's manual, 4 screws for mounting the power supply in the case, a power cable, the modular leads, and the power supply. This power supply is available in 2 wattages, 530 and 630. I'm reviewing the 630 watt model, which is enough power for most mid-range computer systems. Now, how is this wattage determined? Well, to understand that, you need to know what rails are. Rails are basically well-regulated transformers which convert domestic current into the voltages that your computer system can use, and there are essentially 2 different rails, the 3.3/5 volt rail and the 12 volt rail. In this particular case, the approximate maximum peak output of the 3.3/5 volt rail is 210 watts and the 12 volt is 400 watts, which is essentially how the wattage of this power supply is determined. The 3.3/5 volt rail is responsible for the motherboard, memory, PCI cards, AGP card, and so on, while the 12 volt rail is responsible for the hard drives, DVD, CD-ROM, fans, etc. Also, some might be interested to know the peak amps on each rail. The plus 3.3 volt is 30 amps and the plus 5 volt is 50 amps. Now, unlike some power supplies that only have one plus 12 volt rail, this model has 2 and they are both 18 amps. This ATX 12 volt power supply meets the new environmental standards, today's current testing procedures, and protection. Now, there are a couple of important factors to note when purchasing a power supply, and that's its efficiency and does it have active PFC. It's recommended to get a power supply that's about 80% efficient or better under typical load. As for APFC, or active power factor correction, this is something that also assists the power supply in being more efficient and therefore stable under load. APFC basically reduces total harmonics, corrects input voltage, and it allows for full input voltage range. Let's have a closer look at this power supply. It's all aluminum, so it's very lightweight and has plenty of ventilation holes. There's also no mistaking its very distinctive styling. It has a black paint finish and comes with 2 80mm blue LED fans. These fans are temperature controlled and will have no problem keeping the inside of the power supply cool. Here's the power switch, the voltage switch, and the power cable connection. This power supply has a fair number of leads and they're all modular. These modular leads will cut down on the cable mess inside the case and improve airflow. They are also simple to connect and disconnect. Therefore, you only need to attach the leads required for your particular hardware setup. Also, the Molex leads have easy grip connectors, which make connecting and disconnecting hardware simple. Finally, have a listen to the fans. This power supply looks fantastic. It's all aluminum, has 2 blue LED fans, and is completely modular. Although it does not have active PFC for the North American market, it does for the European market, and it only is 75% efficient at full load. I would like to see at least 80+% at full load for a power supply these days. So considering those two things, this is still a great product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds. This has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com, and while you're there you can go into the forums and register. And remember, registration is completely free. Also keep in mind you can find out a lot more on this product in the forums. And as a final note, if you love watching my video reviews, please remember to help support 3dgameman.com. If you wish to support, please visit support3gm.com. Until next time, take care. It's aluminum, and also it has active PFC for North American market. For the North American market. 4-pin, 8-pin, 20 and 24 pin pop. Ooh, hey, Rodney.